Today, I'll walk you through how to know if your Snapchat account has been compromised, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to check for unauthorized access to your account so you can keep your personal information safe. First, let's open your Snapchat app. If you have it installed on your device, locate the app icon and tap to launch it. This is the first step in ensuring your account's security. Once you're in the app, look for your profile icon, which is typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your profile. This is where you can manage your account settings and privacy options. Now you'll want to tap on the gear settings icon, usually found in the top right corner of your profile screen. This icon will take you to the settings menu where you can make various adjustments to your account. Next, scroll down until you find the option for two-factor authentication. Tap on it, and you will see every single device that is currently logged into your account. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to identify any unfamiliar devices that may have accessed your Snapchat. If you see any devices that you do not recognize, it's important to take immediate action. You can log out of those devices or change your password to secure your account. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment, and don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. These steps should still apply. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you can easily determine if your Snapchat account has been compromised. Regularly checking your account settings is a good habit to maintain your online security. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.